Hello everyone and welcome back to my new English video. This is slow English video. Right now I'm in the footbridge and this is a footbridge and here in my back this is sea and this is not only touching my mind. This is getting my positive vibe after coming here because when I see the village view and after watching and after looking, I become speechless to express this. Now I'm here, but the water floating of the village, this is magnificent, and this is actually beautiful. And if you want to spend time in the village, so definitely you have to become the good vision of your mind because village has a beauty and where you can get actual pleasure and it doesn't have any noise free, cool weather, and also relaxing mood you can get from the village weather. That is really big thing and big opportunity for ourselves. Now I'm here, I'm working in the evening, before the evening, and this is dusk time, but I feel it is really my good luck to hear on this place to talk. So have a nice day for listening this video because I don't have like that ability to say, to express myself. I just want to say, and this is beauty, just one and only beauty. Positive vibes, full positive vibes you can get from that area. My village is really unique. And if you're watching this video and if you want to get actual happiness, so definitely you have to spend like this place. So I hope you can get. So for practicing, you can express yourself by this. There are a lot of water behind me, and this is a beach you can see, and there is a over beach, and there is a foot beach, and that is also relate our going to the street. That's why for become a good healthy man, so definitely you have to stand and you have to walk at least 30 minutes or 40 minutes in the evening before the evening dust time and into the village area so you can get a positive self vibes for yourself. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, hopefully you will subscribe after watching this video. But I think every single day for become a good result of English speaking, definitely I need to practice. That's why I'm here. So hopefully you will subscribe this video and after watching this video and have a nice day. See you for the another one. Bye bye for today's lesson.